Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make meat pie. I don't know if you can notice it, but my voice is a bit from all the shouting I did in church yesterday. I'm really sorry guys, but yeah, so I'll be doing a lot less talking in this video, but I hope you enjoy the video anyways, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. So I'm going to transfer this into the fridge, and I left in the fridge for 30 minutes. You can leave it overnight if you want. Actually, I ended up doing this another time and I actually left the mix overnight and it was still alright the next morning, like it was still literally fresh. So you can do that as well if you want. And then we're going on to make the minced beef and everything that goes on the inside. So basically, you just have to fry this until it's properly done. So that means you can't see any pink stuff anymore. That's when it's properly done. The flour is just to make it less watery. I can't remember the word, but that's the whole point of adding it, to make it more, but just to bring it together, make it more, solidify it, I think. But yeah. I'm also using 1 egg at this point because I'm gonna need it later to seal the edges of the meat pie. So you can use a small bowl or a big bowl, but I'm using a small bowl anyways, and then cut around it and then put your minced beef somewhere around the middle. Make sure it's not a lot so that you can fold the other side over it, and then make sure that you seal the edges with the egg. And after doing that, you fold the other side over it, and then you can use your fork or something else to, make any designs that you want. I'm not really 100% great at designing meat pies, so whatever way it comes out, you collect it like that. So then before it goes into the oven, I'm just going to go over it with some egg just to, make sure everything is fine, everything is gonna be alright. So yes. And then after that, I'm gonna put in the oven. So yeah, this is what my meat pie looked like at the end. It was so nice, so delicious, so yummy. And yeah, I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope you try out this recipe. And if you have any other questions, please leave in the comment section below or contact me on Instagram or anything. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys what it was like on the inside. Please ignore the fact that I couldn't cut the meat pie properly. Now when I'm looking at it, I'm like, what? I know. But anyways, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment and share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.